Using the equipment sheet to check out your gear is the easiest thing you'll be doing all year. But just in case you have some questions, allow me to run you through it. We'll cover all the possible equipment you'll need. First, you'll want the most important part of your gear, the camera. Then the essentials, the tripod, camera bag, and lighting kit. When you've gotten that out of the way, make sure to grab a white balance card along with a microphone. And don't forget the battery. Once you've rounded up all your equipment, it's time to fill out the checkout sheet. All you need to do is put a check next to the corresponding equipment number located here, 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 and here. Once it's all checked, place your paper in the equipment checked out section. Whenever you're wrapped shooting, don't forget to put everything back where it belongs. And charge any batteries you've used. Finally, move your equipment sheet to the Equipment Checked In section, and that's how easy it is to check out equipment.